Hi everybody, this is Barry from Knitting for Love, and today's video is an update about my channel and what I'm going to be featuring in my channel up and coming. So, and what I've been doing. I've accomplished a couple of things lately. I made about 5 different pairs of socks. I've done a few hats. Thank you for all the recent subscribers. Good to have you. I am up to 72 at the moment, so I'm still fairly a new channel, and I'm still working on trying to get more subscribers, but I've been a little preoccupied. Life things happen, but you know, we get over them and we move on. So what I have been doing is, well, let's just play catch up. My purple sweater, which I have in my previous videos, it's almost done. I have done the front and the back and 2 sleeves, and all I gotta do is sew it up into the color. So there's the purple sweater, the mysterious purple sweater. You can tell the pattern is nice and lacy, which is cool. I've also been working on a poncho. See, where's the knitting needles? It's still on the needles. And this is a very heavy poncho, so yeah, this is going to be for the fall. And I'll lift it up in a second. And there that is. And you can see the color schemes. The colors don't match front and back, and that was intentional, along with the sides. Don't match, that's intentional. I wanted the stripes to be different on all aspects of the poncho. So, and the poncho is also going to have a pocket on the inside, not the outside, which is really unique. I've also started a lace wrap. This yarn is pretty nice. It is called Knit-like, Wool-like. That's it, Wool-like. It's very soft. It's acrylic and a nylon blend. Very, very soft. Sock weight. So you can knit nice socks with this if you wanted to, knit a nice hat if you wanted to. What else is new with this channel and what I've got new? And I've been meaning to come on and show you guys that I have published my first book. And this is Knitting for Beginners. And it can be found, I'll put all the details in the description below. But there are a few patterns in here for beginners, and in the back of every book that I will publish is step-by-step instructions with written, and they're very large pictures, so you don't have to look very hard at them, and it's color. Everything is printed in color, so you can get my book either paperback or ebook through Kindle. I will post my name and everything below, so you can find my book if you'd like to help out and purchase it. It'd be greatly appreciated. I am starting and working on a second book, which will include my purple sweater that I just held up, the poncho that I held up, the wrap that I held up, and a few more items. Coming up for the channel, I want to include knitting, crocheting, needle tatting in my videos as well, just to get a broader range, because I do all of those things, and sometimes I incorporate both or more than one in a project. So I will be including some videos soon about that, but the first series that's coming up and was requested is socks. So I will be making a sock podcast videos. I also will be trying to go live stream. I know I've got the capability now. I do not know how to do live stream, so I have to research this more on what I need to do and how to do it, how to put my computer up to it and everything, and let it go. You know, we can hang out and knit together and talk and chat, and I can, you know, appreciate, you know, the people that come to hang out with me. My podcast live stream will probably be like on a Saturday night when most people are out, you know, home or whatever, doing whatever it is you do, you know, drink a cup of tea and, you know, have some cake and ice cream and knit. So that's about it. for today. I'm sorry I had been gone for a while. Thank you for all of the subscribers and all the likes and all the views for my 10 stitch blanket made easy. I'm glad everybody is enjoying that. I will have more step-by-step made easier patterns coming like that. For future reference, I will have a circular one where you can knit the 10 stitch blanket using not as a square but as a circle. And I would like to do a triangle one, so I have to work out the pattern in order to do the step-by-step for you guys, and so you can make something unique. So look forward to seeing you. Today is July 5th, 2018, and I should be posting my first sock podcast next weekend, not this weekend coming up, but the following weekend, the 14th, Saturday the 14th, should be my first time doing a podcast for socks. So I will be going through all the methods on how to make socks from beginning to end, step by step. So if you want to knit with me, be my guest. I will be starting off with double pointed needles, just so you know. Moving into a 9-inch circular needle, which is, I think, is wonderful. And last, I will be going through magic loop. And I know that magic loop can be fiddly sometimes, but I prefer to teach DPNs, double pointed needles, sock knitting, because that's where I started, and that's how I got my foundation of knitting in the round, because it is different from knitting flat. So once you get used to that, you can knit with anything else in the round. It's just a technique that you have to follow, that's all. So with that said, it's kind of hot in here. So it's like 89, 90 degrees. It was 104 the other day, which was very hot for New York City. And yeah, very hot, especially when you have no air conditioning. But yeah, so look forward to seeing you then. Happy knitting. Bye now.